Hello everyone, this is my Toyota Hilux car. This is the Majorette Diecast. Look at this, made in Thailand. Majorette Toyota Hilux Revo, and this suspension is so dirty, and I will clean this next time and fix all problems here. And the wheel is able to run it. It is able to run on the track before take a little racing. And the color of the chairs is white. And this is the dashboard of the car. And I will fix this car immediately. Looks, the glass is dirty, and I cannot fix this except I give it the protector for this glass. This glass made of plastic. So next time I will take a little repair for this diecast car, and let you stay tuned on this channel. Mochi Selamat Hobby, and I will make a little repair this car. So do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. See you next time with this car of Toyota Hilux. Bye.